Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make drumstick soup. We will begin by understanding the fundamental steps involved in preparing this delightful and nutritious dish. This soup is known for its unique flavor and health benefits. You will learn to select the best ingredients, prepare them efficiently, and combine them to create a truly satisfying meal. Get ready to cook a wonderful soup that everyone will love. For our drumstick soup, selecting fresh ingredients is crucial. You will need about 500 grams of tender drumsticks, ensuring they are clean and ready. We will also use 1 large onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and 2 green chilies for a balanced flavor. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and a small pinch of turmeric powder to enhance the aroma and color of your soup. These fresh components are key. Now let's get cooking. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pot. Sauté your chopped onions, green chilies, and ginger garlic paste until they turn a lovely golden brown and become fragrant. Next, add the drumsticks and cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing them to brown slightly. Finally, pour in 4 cups of water, bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 20 minutes until the drumsticks are perfectly tender. This process builds the soup's base. To finish our delicious drumstick soup, it's time for the final touches. Carefully season the soup with salt to taste, a dash of freshly ground black pepper, and a refreshing squeeze of fresh lime juice. This adds a bright, zesty note. Before serving, generously garnish each bowl with freshly chopped coriander leaves, which provide a wonderful aroma and vibrant color. Serve your hot, homemade drumstick soup immediately as a comforting and incredibly wholesome meal. Enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.